Hey, what's up guys? I'm riding out to Pennsylvania to meet my buddy Dan today. I think we're going to ride down the Delaware River today. See what's in store. Nice change of scenery. Portland, PA. Dan's new electrical eye standard. It's nice. I also waited to get gas here because in New Jersey, you know, I don't get an opportunity to pay myself at the pump. You know, I have to wait for him to scan my card to hand me the nozzle. This is like freedom here, my little bit of freedom. Pumping my own gas. Alright, we're in Portland, PA. Cool little town. We're gonna head south down along the Delaware River and stop for lunch in New Hope, Pennsylvania. Should be a real nice day. Alright, so we stopped and had a nice brunch in New Hope. That's what hardcore bikers do, right? They go for brunch on a Sunday morning. When we split ways, Dan's going home. He lives about
4 miles.
He lives about 15 minutes from here. I'm gonna head back to New Jersey. Very nice ride today. Nice change of scenery for a change. I haven't been able to really get any place different this year, so well, besides vacation. So it was a nice change of scenery, nice ride. We are on the New Jersey Turnpike now, headed northbound. Should be home in about 35 minutes. If you like this video, give it a like. Leave me a comment. If you have not yet, please hit that subscribe button. I'll see all you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Keep your head on a swivel out there. Later.